already telling me to lie. That's terrible. So how much do they lie? This is not okay. Sorry, your door's not shut.
I told you they covered.
See? Wow. Unbelievable. He's telling me to lie.
What's meant to lie?
Ooh. How much more do they lie then? He goes, all right, go get your car. Because he said, well, we don't want people going into the city part. And I said, oh, I'm not going there.
So everyone here is getting medication? How many people are
Yeah, right. We're all sick. All right, let's go. See? Oh, good. We don't have to walk.
All these people are taking this.
So we drove by the man that told us to lie, and I stopped and I said, oh, can we get our we're going to get our medication, all right? And he goes, there's all the fire. Look, everything's closed. It's even boarded up. Why is it boarded up?
No.
It was already like that? Oh, okay. All right, so here we go. Here's that street when we first had our first video. Remember how busy it was? Well, this is normally like the normal look. All right, so we're gonna go into our house, I hope. What if that's blocked off over there? Well, at least we can park over here. See, there's all kinds of people. Now, there are never that many people, ever,
Waiting for the bus.
at the bus. Yeah, that shuttle bus, right? Never.
Good luck at the shop.
Everybody's getting their stuff together. It feels abandoned around here. It just does. There's an eerie feeling. See, people are walking. That's not your normal. There's all kinds of like these light thingamajiggies. This is for at night, you can tell. All right. Oh, our house. We want to stay home. But I am very grateful for my brother and his wife.
Stay home. It's ugly over here.
No, it's not. Daddy is here. How did he get in?
How did it get here?
How did he get in so fast? He's gonna be like, where were you guys? You got the TV on and everything. All right, we're home. We almost had to take a shuttle.
Listen, where were you guys? I stopped on the highway and everything.
They wouldn't let us in anywhere.
Where'd
Down
you
at
go?
Greenwood, they would not let us in.
No,
I don't know if that's all of a
Where'd
sudden.
you get off the highway?
I went to 114, and then I came down.
So I'm waiting for.
All right, so I'm calling to see if our town is safe or not. They said they'd call me back, but I don't know if I'm supposed to stay on the line because they're playing music. Very strange. So what do you want to do? I'm trying to call somebody.
I say you let them examine this house.
I say we don't come back until the coast is clear, even if it is tonight. Do you know what I mean?
Sure?
Tonight we'll pack up, we'll come home.
Are you sure?
Yeah, right?
I want to stay here. It's totally fine. We got them. We got everything.
I think we should all stay here. Let's just stay here.
I know, I'm with you.
Let's just stay here. You know, we don't think it's gonna happen. I think it's gonna happen. You think
I'm just afraid when they go.
Wait, I didn't. Yeah, I know.
Daddy, I'm gonna stay here with you
Yeah, let's
guys.
all stay here.
No, the coast is not clear.
But it
Doesn't matter. Look,
It
Pat's
does
here.
matter. It doesn't matter who's here. It doesn't matter if Santa Claus is here.
It
really does, Santa.
We have to wait until, yeah, we'll go up in the sleigh with him. We have to wait. If we go there, as soon as we get there, if they say the coast is clear, we'll come right back.
We're gonna pack.
All right? Yes, just lightly.
We're fine.
Just
Make us
lightly.
ram.
I would do just till
The
I
coast
don't
is
know.
clear.
I would pack up like 3 different things.
I'm not
maybe.
gonna pack. I'm done.
Hello?
Lisa, go back and get Missy and get him home.
Why?
You're at your house, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, but the electricity is on, so it's okay to
No,
be
it's
here.
not. It is not. No. Are you kidding? You should have seen what we had to deal with just now.
It was okay to go back there.
No, I tried to get in. It was all barricaded, and they said no. You have to park your car at the end of the road, and you have to walk to go get it. And so then we went around another way, and they said that you have to take a shuttle. So as we were getting out to go take a shuttle, all kinds of cars were going down. So I went back to the police officer, and he said, "All right, well, just tell them that you need medication then." And I was like, "You want me to lie?" So he finally let us in, and the lady said to me that I know they said to Steve that it'll be probably cleared tonight, but it's not cleared. So I say we pack up a couple of things just for like maybe a day or 2, and if it's still like that, then we'll come back and get more stuff. But just pack lightly. That's what we'll do.
And just go back. Yeah, but yeah, you have to go back.
Yeah, and if they say that it's been cleared tonight, then I'll come back.
Yeah. All right. Okay.
Okay, we got everything packed. Here it is. See? Hear the sounds of sirens. The sounds of sirens. Let me put all this in the trunk. We got a pumpkin that we can carve with the cuties. So that's what I call my nephew and my niece. All right. That's the sound of sirens. Instead of the sounds of silence, there's a song. The sounds of sirens. This is Miffy's tunnel. We got a nice big blanket we can put there for Miffy. All right, we're good, we're good. A nice drink. All right. Yeah, I like it. Just wash it. All right, here we go. It's always saying that. Here we go, here we go. Here's our pumpkin. We're gonna carve later, hopefully. Here's Mr. Fry cleaning up everything. All you hear is generators and sirens. All right, bye, Mr. Fry. He's gonna stay here. I'm not sure that that's the safest choice, but he is. All right. We've been babysitting for my brother, and we've been doing all fun activities to give back to my brother.
I don't think they're gonna work on Xbox.
Now we're gonna go get them beautiful meatball sub that is from the one and only sub shop that we went to the other night, remember?
Yeah.
All right, here we go again. What an adventure, what an adventure. St. Michael the Archangel, defend us in battle, be our safeguard against the wiles and wickedness of the devil. Restrain him, O God, we humbly pray, and do thou, O Prince of the heavenly host, by the power of God, cast into hell Satan and all the evil spirits who prowl about the world, seeking the ruin and destruction of souls. Amen. So now we're gonna go back the same way that we tried to get in, but we couldn't. Everybody's, look at these guys. That's wrong. They made these people walk. See, they always get their suitcases. That's just wrong. We didn't have to do that. They could have went around. That's not right. That's not right. See, they make people do different things from what they say.
Oh, these are good. They stay in.
All right. See, look, people are walking when they don't. Look, they made these older people walk.
These are
That is
doo-doo.
ridiculous. That's not
Ridiculous.
right. That's not right. Wow, so we just talked to a woman police officer forever, and she was telling us that, she had nice nails, did she? She said that there was more precautions yesterday to stay away. It is true that it has not been secured to say, okay, everybody come in. So basically they want everybody to stay out if they can. They can't stop everybody from they can't stop people from staying. But section by section, the gas company, they're waiting for all the gas and the pipes to all evaporate. But just like a medication where you would have to have all the little side effects just because you never know, they can't say it's safe. Look at these little chipmunks on the road. They're running back and forth. Is that a mouse? No, it's a chipmunk. Okay. Stay over there. Wait till I go by. And so they said they're doing sections. So right now, she says that everybody that's been going in has been going out as well. So we're going back. The best thing to do is stay away until the companies clear each section, and then hopefully tonight by 7 I can call the police department and they'll let me know. All right. So I thought I would give everybody a little break to see another beautiful view. Isn't that nice?
Yep.
I want to swim in that so bad right now.
Look at that. Isn't that beautiful?
Just wait to jump in
Imagine
there.
seeing that every day.
Oh, I would live forever. I wouldn't want to die.
We could be mermaids. We could live in there forever. There's another beautiful view from yesterday that I showed you. Isn't that nice? Isn't that beautiful? It's so beautiful. Look at it.
I want to go swimming right now.
Yeah, we'll go swimming now.
Yeah. Like what I do with that here?
He wants you to do the upside down trick. So now we're resting. We're all settled. We're back in my brother's town. And now we're just chilling.
Stop doing gymnastics on the ramp, please. Hey, you're doing it upside down tricks. Please stop.
Oh, let me do a couple more first.
Alright, go.
Oh, shoot.
He has to warm up. Before he does a big thing, he has to warm up. Woo!
Go again. Go. Go. Go, Seth. Go.
Oh.
Aw, you
I would
got a
show you
little
my nephew,
fan.
but I have to be careful.
Go. Right now. Go.
Hey, I have a real fan.
This is your fan. Woo! Why don't you back up a little, James, so that way they're in case it flies away from him. He won't get killed.
Do it! Okay.
All right, ready? Oh my gosh.
Go!
What should I do?
You do learn upside down tricks.
He wants upside down tricks, Seth.
Okay. I didn't think I can do it.
Ready? Don't get hurt. Say a little prayer, James, for him.
Can I go?
Yeah, you blessed yourself. That's
Okay,
nice.
yeah, okay.
Thank you. All right, everybody be careful. Woohoo!
Wow.
Nice. You like that, huh?
Now do this.
Oh!
Okay? Fast. Do this. Like that. Like this. When you do it upside
Whee! Whoa! He was like Superman right there.
like this.
I can't show James, but I can show his shadow. Hey, James, look, I got your shadow. Here's Auntie Lily, and now you.
Yo, should I flare?
Isn't that funny? Hey, look,
Yeah,
Sarah.
go,
I
Lee.
can't get James, but I can get his shadow. Go ahead, cheer for Seth.
Yo, can I cheers?
I like seeing James. James, tell Seth you wanted to do a trick.
Seth, you wanted to do a trick.
Oh.
What trick do you want me to do?
Under upside down trick.
An upside down trick.
Upside down trick was cool.
Yeah.
You want me to do it?
Yeah.
Do like this. When you and the scooter go upside down tricks. Okay?
Yeah.
Can you do that?
He wants you to do. Oh.
That's what I wanted him to do. He did this. He did this.
Woohoo! Yes, he did. Look how good his
What's
shadow.
this? What did he do?
Yeah. Yeah. He said he's not going to land it, but he's going to do a backflip. You ready?
Okay, it won't look good at all.
Do a backflip now.
All right,
Yo,
backflip. Ready, go. Be careful, Mr. Fry. Woohoo!
Backflip.
What'd you think of that, James? Did you love it?
That was my favorite. Now we're about to go to the second one and the third one.
Okay. There's a playground. Do you want to go to the playground, James?
No. Here, come on.
All right, look at me with all the glasses. So it's very important, I hope you know, that I'm making a recording on here. I can't show my nephew. I'm not allowed. However, no, you can't go in there. You can talk. You can say hello to them without...
Hello.
There's no shadow. I can't get your shadow right now. But it's very, very important to, even though we are in a crisis mode, to just keep in mind,
This is what I used to.
we have to stay calm, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we have to stay calm. What would you say to people that where their houses were being burnt down?
Fire.
Yeah, what would you say to the people to help them?
Water, right?
Water, yes. Water is very important in a fire. That's right. And the firemen did use a lot of water. But to have a really good attitude, try, because I was feeling depressed. Remember on one of my videos here, I don't know if it was this one or the other one, I was feeling depressed at all that was happening.
Look, there goes Seth is on that ramp, right?
Yes, he is on that ramp. And we're thinking about family, and we're being grateful, right? Because a lot of times, look what's happening to everybody else. Let me show you the airplane. Can you see that?
Oh, yeah.
It's big. So yeah, just try to remember that other people are going through worse things.
Another lava hole.
Another lava hole. So we're using our imaginations. So I'm feeling better. I don't know, it could still be a long time before we get home, but you know what? I say we're with family, we're with people that we love and that love us. And like I said, there are people who are hurting right now, so I really don't have a right to complain. And I think in time, yeah.
What's blowing music now?
Yeah. Yeah, that's a good dog. I think in time, things do get better, always. Right?
Oh, look at those unicorns.
And we just have to, you know, a lot of times I pretend when I'm really feeling horrible, I'll just pretend that I don't feel that way. And it gets me through, and then eventually I snap out of it.
Lamb, right? No lambs here.
Careful.
Yeah.
We there's some nails.
All right, next up is Max, ladies and
Go,
gentlemen.
go.
Oh, woo!
That was over the wheel.
That was over the wheel. That didn't count.
Alright, I got it this time.
Did you
guys find the-
You have to hold
Oh,
on your
that was
foot.
on the wheel again.
You have to hold your feet too. Yeah. And then she she was wearing long pants with it. And
Uh-huh.
then she came over to the monkey bars and she was like, "Ooh, who are these?"
All right, we're on the hunt for.
She told Dad, "Whose shoes are these?"
Okay.
And I keep them, and she comes, and then she left, and she came.
Well, we are helping these little girls look for somebody's sandals, right, girls?
Yep.
Yeah. So let's go find them. I saw them, but let's go look. I always say a certain prayer. Dear St. Anthony, come around, something's lost and must be found. These sandals.
Playing on the.
I was over here earlier, and they were right here in this spot. And they were here the whole time.
Right here.
Yep. So,
Wait, is there any footprints?
I say we go look around. I say we go look around. I don't know. Hey,
Would take one if
There
someone
were
has
two.
like a pair of shoes and took another pair of shoes.
yeah.
Were there only one pair of shoes they already had?
All right, let's look around. So you already looked around in here?
Was there only one?
magical.
Was there only one pair of shoes?
Yeah. Yeah. One was upside down and the other one wasn't.
Oh, yeah. That's funny, huh? I thought it's gone.
All right, we're gonna follow her steps, just at least to the car. All right, come on, we have to go look for the shoes. No,
I
James,
think if she
James.
went that way
Come on.
or this way, I have no idea.
All right, show me where they went. Look, always look in the trash cans. No,
We
nothing in
looked
here.
all the trash
Oh,
cans.
good girls. Well, you guys are smart. You guys are good
all
investigators.
the ones in the park. We looked in the
saying
bathroom.
that.
We looked in like because some people are just throwing shoes in the bathroom. Who leaves their shoe in the bathroom?
Right.
I saw a girl throwing shoes in the bathroom, but there were different. People leave their shoes. Yeah.
All right.
Wait, and also one leaves.
All right, we got everybody here today.
Show her that. And I wish it said. I wish it was a bag that. And I wish there was a bag that said "Don't touch."
Yeah.
So we could just get it.
Well, I guess if you see them, then you know you can ask for them again. So at least we looked.
And she came back to the park. I think she
take
was
it
in the
here.
park. When we were doing this.
I know.
She went back in the park, and
Yeah.
now I don't know.
All right. Well, nice investigating, everybody. Good job.
One